Hello po, online world. Tara, magluto tayo ng popcorn, merienda ng kiddos sa maulan na panahon.
Oo po. Kaya po tayo ng popcorn. Ikaw, tubig ka.
So, ayan. Nag-boiled na ako ng cooking oil. And then, we're going to put the
Popcorn.
corn.
Ako din lalagay. Ka.
Mm.
And then, just this.
Bilisan mo na kasi mainit na yan.
What's happened? How long is that gonna pot? The entire bag is gone.
So, ayan na siya. Where's the cover? Give me the cover.
Wait, wait.
Okay, and then let's wait.
Hey, that's what it's popping. They're popping.
Lagay mo to doon para may pangkok pa tayo next time.
Good. It's popping.
Give me the pot holder, bilis. Nasunog skin na.
The pop holder. The pop holder.
Riko.
It's popping. It's popping. The babies are popping. The babies. Yes, you like the popping. No, so
Tanggalan natin siya ng apoy.
Yes. Ay, parang mga baby nanay. You're bubbling away. Oh no. Wow.
Huwag mo apakan yung mga kahoy.
Ay, yung mga sunog. Ito sila, parang mga baby. Nanay.
That is the way how to cook popcorn. You need to cover because it will come out.
Ito, parang nagkukul. It's cooling. It's getting cool.
Because it's already cooked.
Mabilis naman maluto.
Exactly.
Nanay, parang siyang solsan.
Mapupuno na yung ating pot.
Hanggang na sa may lit na. Sa may lit na.
Yeah, hanggang sa lid.
That's the full one.
See, it's amazing to cook popcorn.
Ako, parang silang mga baby. Nanay. It's 1 second, it's cooked. Ay, nagdadami na! Nasunog na ako.
Mag-take a bath na kayong dalawa. Bilisan nyo na.
Ano, tapos na ka?
Nag-shampoo ka na?
Yes.
Mag-brush teeth ka na?
Yes.
Not yet. Sige na.
Ayaw ko na. Nalabagin na ako.
So, ayan. Nag-stop na yung popping. It means cook na lahat. So, ayan. Ang ating popcorn. Thank you for watching. Bye!